Hello everybody, this is Robert the Tool Chunky, and I'm here in the House of Tools workshop, and I have a new Klein tool to show you. Well, not necessarily new, but new video. This particular one is number 85515HD, and they call it their flip socket mini ratchet multi-driver set 3-piece. So you get a little handle here, and this is like the little stubby handle, if you will, so it gets into tight spaces. This whole kit is really designed for that. And if you push the button or pull out, you have some nice tips in here. So you have some slotted, you have the 3 different sizes of Phillips, and you have 2 square sizes, I'm sorry, 1 square size along with 2 slotted sizes. That closes up easily, and you have the retractable ring here. Also comes with a nice shaft here. This one already happens to have a bit inside of it. And when you pull these out, you can disassemble. Let me do this the right way first. So when you disassemble this here, you can flip these sockets around. Actually, I think that comes out the bottom. There we go. So you have the 7/16, you have a 3/8, you have a 5/16, and a 1/4 inch. So for most trades, those are going to be your most widely used sockets. And there's a little magnet here, so if you have any metal scraps type, I should say splinters, etc. I'm really getting that wrong. If you have any metal fine powder, this will collect that so you won't mar anything. But these can be flipped around easily. The nice thing is that's your normal 1/4 inch shank here, so it can go into any drill driver or drill that you have. Also goes in the handle here, you pull that back, and you have multiple sizes. So you have the short, you can pull it out to a little bit longer, and all the way out. You can do that with any of the tips or sockets. The other thing that comes with this is nice little handle here. And what happens here is you can either put the shaft in there and use it for the sockets, or if you would be in a really tight spot, you can put the driver bit here. And now you can get into some super tight spots. This has got a hole for your finger, so you can kind of do that, or whatever angle you're at, you can do that. Also, this here has 72 teeth, so it's super fine. So if you're in a really tight spot, you can just do just a little teeny, it takes so little to move even 1 click. Now, it may take you forever to get that screw in, but if you're in that tight a spot, believe me, you know how hard it is to get that screw going. You'll take any advantage you can get. And that's the nice thing about this kit. It's Klein Tools. It's very versatile. And the other thing, if you know about Klein, they have a lot of different sets with handles, with the 1/4 inch shafts, with all the flip sockets. So this is really a good starter set. Whether you're a do-it-yourselfer or a homeowner, this is perfect because it's in the house, and if you have to assemble anything, often you have those tight spaces, so that will help you. And I can think of most trades this would be very helpful for, because every once in a while you get in that situation and you can't get something in there easily. You can get the long socket handle or your long screwdriver. So this is really perfect for that. And because the way Klein sells these things, there's additional sets, so you can buy those other sets to add on to this. If you need longer shafts, you need more sockets, etc. So a great starting place for you in the trades or a homeowner do-it-yourselfer, because it gets you into tight spots, gets you pretty much the most popular pieces that you need, and you can add on if you need to. So if you can like and subscribe, we'd appreciate that. Also leave a comment. Have you used this set? Has it bailed you out of anything? I know that it's bailed me out a couple of times in some tight spots. Has it helped you as well? Let us know. See you on the next video.